If you are a data engineer working in Snowflake, stop writing 10 lines of code just to find the latest record in a dataset. We've all been taught to use common table expressions or subqueries to handle deduplication, but in a modern cloud warehouse, that's just extra baggage you don't need. Look at this before pattern. You're defining a CTE, calculating a window function like row number, partitioning by your ID, and ordering by a timestamp. Then you have to jump outside that logic just to filter where the rank equals 1. It's readable, sure, but it's verbose and prone to errors when your queries get complex. Let's refactor this for 2026. In Snowflake, we have a secret weapon called the qualify clause. Think of qualify as the having clause, but specifically for window functions. It allows us to filter the results of our analytical functions without needing a subquery or an extra layer of nesting. Watch how the after code looks. We have our standard select, our from clause, and then right at the bottom we add qualify. We move our row number, logic, directly into that clause and set it to 1. We just deleted 40% of our boilerplate code while keeping final side by side. If you're tired of nesting your SQL logic, start using qualify. It's built in, it's fast, and it's how pros write Snowflake SQL. Like and subscribe for more data engineering pebbles.